Hello kids, how are you doing? I am Mr. Chinedu. Hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to take you on a very interesting topic. A lot of kids always find it difficult when calculating perimeter. Perimeter, what is perimeter? Perimeter is just the distance around a shape. Any shape, the distance around the shape gives you the perimeter. Today in our class I'm going to give you some illustration on how to make perimeter very simple. Watch out. Now this is a rectangle. Now a rectangle has two opposite equal sides. You see that from here, you see a sign, the same sign here and here they are the same. That means they are equal. You also see one line here and here, it means they are also equal. In that case, if here is 7 meter, this is also 7 meter. If here is 4 meter, this is also 4 meter. Most of the time they will not give you the complete side. They will write some, they will leave the other one blank. But there will be a sign to show that they are equal. It's not left for you to know that whenever a line is here and the same line is here, it means those sides are equal. Is that clear? So, if we want to get the perimeter of this now, we have 7 meter plus 7 plus 4 plus 4. 7 plus 7 is 14. 4 plus 4 is 8. So we have 14 plus 8. That will give us 22. So we have 22 meter. At the end, your unit must be there. If your unit is not there, your answer is wrong or incomplete. So always remember your unit. I take it again. I said perimeter is the distance around the shape. From the beginning, there was nothing written here and nothing written here. But I told you, whenever you see a sign like this repeated on the another side, it means those sides are equal. So if here is 7 meter, here must be 7 meter. If here is 4 meter, here must be 4 meter. Because in every rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. So we add all of them, 7 plus 7, 7 plus 7 plus 4 plus 4. So if you add all of them, you get 22 meter. Is that clear? This example, the second example, is an irregular shape. Because it's an irregular shape, you have to take note of the sides given. From here to here is given as 10 meter, 3 meter, 2 meter, 4 meter, and 12 meter. From this place to this place, nothing is given. So it is left for you to think of what should be written here. Now, I'm going to do a very simple thing. I'm going to draw a dotted line. Here, it's better done with a ruler. It means if from here to here is 3 meter. Remember what we did in the first example. I said if from here to here is 4 meter, from here to here is also 4 meter. So if from here to here is 3 meter, from here to here is also 3 meter. I'll write here 3 meter. Now from here to here is 4 meter. If from here to here is 4 meter, from here to here is also 4 meter. I will also write 4 meter. To get the final length of this side, I add 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is what? 7. That's 7 meter. So to get the perimeter now, I will add all the lengths. I have to start for the last example, only one side, because only one side is given. But there is something here. I told you something in the first example, that whenever you see a sign, same sign repeated in the other part, it means there is something common. It's equal to that side and that has the same sign. This is called a regular shape. It has equal sides. We have how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is a regular hexagon. A regular hexagon. A regular hexagon is a polygon that has 6 equal sides. So what this means is, if here is 7 meter, this also must be 7 meter, 7 meter, 7 meter, 7 meter, 7 meter. So there are two options. Either you can say 7 times 6 or 7 plus 7 plus 7, add it 6 times. That will still give you the same thing. So 7 times 6 is equal to 42 meters. So this is the perimeter of this shape. So remember, only one side was given at the beginning. But because when they have the same side written all over, the same sign, it means they are all equal. So we call this shape a regular hexagon. Why is it an hexagon? Because it has 6 sides. A shape, a polygon with 6 sides is called an hexagon. Is that clear? So, see you in our next class.